West Cedar Dental. This is Lucy. How can I help you? For which day? For Monday? Yes, let me pull up my computer and have a look. Okay, and what did you say your last name was? Carlson? Carlson? Okay. First name, please? Oh, okay, Mona. Yes. Yes, I do. Many moons. Oh, the office is beautiful. We love it. Me and some of the girls have been here so long and we love the change. Yeah, it's gorgeous. We're so happy. We've really expanded the practice. Yes. Okay, and what time were you thinking about, Mona? 8. Okay. And who is the appointment for? Yourself? Okay. Children? Yeah. What are their ages? Okay. Right. Growing so fast. They do. Very much. Okay. Okay. And are you still under the same phone number here? You are? Great. Okay. In 1745 Lexington? Yeah, okay, great. Yes. Alright. I have you down here. 8 a.m. Isn't that the truth? Yes. Great. We look forward to seeing you guys, Mona. Thanks so much for calling. Yes, thanks. You too. Bye-bye. Yeah. Sure, hold on. Carly? Carly? Yes, the doctor will see you now if you want to go ahead. Yep, you can come with me. Good morning, this is Lucy at West Cedar Dental. Yes, at 5 o'clock. Yes, we do. Yeah. What's the last name? Okay, have you been here before? Sure. Sure, let me look you up in the system. Our computer's running a bit slow today. That's very true. That's very, very true. Sure. Let me go enter that right now. Be 1 second. Computer's loading up. Here we go. Yes, yep, it would be fine. And have you had that done here before? You have? Okay. Great. Great. It should be only a matter of minutes if everything checks out. Yes, I understand. Okay. Sure. We will expect you then. Great. Have a terrific day. Yes, you too. Bye-bye. Amber? Hi. The doctor's ready for you. Wanna come with me? Okay. West Cedar Dental, this is Lucy. Hi. Yeah, I can't talk too much. I get up at 3 o'clock. I can't talk right now because I got a warning. I don't know. What are you supposed to do when you have sick cats? You know? Right? I know, but I can't talk. I have a break in like, I don't know, 2 hours. Can I call you then? Yeah, I know. It's not. Okay, I'll call you later, okay? On my cell phone. Okay, alright, babe. Well, Cedar Dental. I can check. Hold on 1 second, please. Yep, she's in her office. Let me transfer you, okay? Alright, thanks.